Hey Hydrohaven family, have you ever wondered how Korean farmers consistently produce some of the world's most vibrant vegetables and fruits despite challenging soil conditions? Today I'm sharing 3 time-tested Korean soil enhancement techniques that have been perfected over centuries. These aren't complex scientific methods requiring expensive equipment. They're simple, natural approaches using materials you probably already have access to. Let's dive into these remarkable soil transformation secrets that Korean gardeners have been using long before modern agriculture took over. Secret 1. Fermented rice water magic. Korean farmers have discovered that fermented rice water is like liquid gold for struggling soil. This technique, called SSL fermentation, transforms ordinary rice cooking water into a powerful soil conditioner that introduces beneficial microorganisms while providing essential nutrients. The fermentation process creates beneficial bacteria and yeasts that dramatically improve soil structure and plant health. To create this miracle soil enhancer, save the cloudy water from rinsing rice before cooking. Don't use the water after cooking, as it lacks the essential starches we need. Collect this starchy water in a clean container and allow it to sit at a room temperature for 5 to 7 days until it develops a slightly sour, yeasty smell. This indicates beneficial fermentation has occurred. The fermented rice water now contains lactobacilli and other beneficial microorganisms that Korean farmers consider essential for healthy soil. Apply this fermented rice water directly to your soil by diluting it 1-to-1 with regular water. Pour it around the base of plants or across garden beds, allowing it to penetrate deeply into the soil. The starches feed beneficial soil microorganisms, while the fermentation byproducts improve soil structure and water retention. Korean farmers typically apply this treatment weekly during the growing season, and many report that plants show visible improvement within 2 weeks: greener foliage, stronger stems, and increased flowering. The beauty of this method lies in its dual action. The carbohydrates provide immediate food for soil microbes, while the fermentation products create an environment hostile to harmful pathogens. This natural soil inoculation method costs virtually nothing but delivers results comparable to expensive commercial soil amendments. Many Korean gardeners swear this technique alone has transformed their most challenging clay and sandy soils into productive growing mediums. Secret 2. Macgeolli soil treatment. Macgeolli, traditional Korean rice wine, contains live cultures that Korean farmers have long recognized as powerful soil enhancers. While drinking Macgeolli might not be everyone's preference, using it in the garden creates remarkable soil improvements through its beneficial yeast and bacterial cultures. These living microorganisms colonize soil, creating networks that improve nutrient availability and disease resistance. For garden use, you don't need expensive Macgeolli. The basic unfiltered varieties work best because they contain the highest concentration of live cultures. Mix 2 cups of Macgeolli with 1 gallon of water to create a soil treatment that introduces beneficial microorganisms while providing nutrients from the fermentation process. The alcohol content is diluted enough not to harm plants, while the living cultures establish themselves in your soil ecosystem. Apply this mixture to soil around established plants, or broadcast it across garden beds using a watering can. The treatment works particularly well for vegetable gardens and fruit trees, where Korean farmers report significant improvements in soil structure and plant vitality. The beneficial yeasts in Macgeolli break down organic matter more efficiently, making nutrients more available to plants while creating the loose, crumbly soil structure that roots love. This technique becomes even more powerful when combined with organic matter additions. Korean gardeners often apply Macgeolli treatment after adding compost or aged manure, as the living cultures accelerate decomposition and integration of organic materials into existing soil. The result is soil that not only looks better but performs dramatically better, supporting healthier root systems and more productive plants. Secret 3. Seaweed and fish fermentation. Korean coastal farmers developed an incredibly effective soil amendment using fermented seaweed and fish scraps that creates what they call ocean soil medicine. This technique harnesses the mineral-rich properties of marine materials while using fermentation to make nutrients readily available to plants. The process creates a concentrated liquid fertilizer that addresses multiple soil deficiencies simultaneously. To create this powerful soil treatment, combine chopped fresh seaweed or rehydrated dried seaweed with fish scraps in a large container with water. If seaweed isn't available, kelp meal works as a substitute. The ratio is roughly 1 part seaweed, 1 part fish scraps, and 3 parts water. Cover the container loosely to allow gases to escape and ferment for 2 to 3 weeks, stirring occasionally. The mixture will develop a strong ocean smell. This is normal and indicates active fermentation. Once fermentation is complete, strain the liquid and dilute it 1 to 10 with water before applying to soil. This ocean-based fertilizer provides trace minerals rarely found in land-based amendments, including iodine, potassium, and various micronutrients that plants crave. Korean farmers particularly value this treatment for root vegetables and leafy greens, reporting that crops grown with seaweed fermentation show superior flavor and nutritional content. The fermentation process breaks down complex marine proteins and carbohydrates into forms plants can immediately use, while the high mineral content addresses deficiencies common in inland soils. Korean gardeners apply this treatment monthly during the growing season, often seeing dramatic improvements in plant color, growth rate, and disease resistance. The treatment also helps soil retain moisture while improving drainage, seemingly contradictory benefits that result from better soil structure. Combining Korean wisdom with modern gardens. These 3 Korean soil secrets work synergistically when used together as part of a comprehensive soil improvement program. The fermented rice water introduces beneficial microorganisms, Macgeolli enhances microbial diversity, and seaweed fermentation provides mineral nutrition often lacking in conventional fertilizers. Korean farmers typically rotate these treatments, using fermented rice water weekly, Macgeolli treatment monthly, and seaweed fermentation every 4 to 6 weeks. The key to success with Korean soil methods lies in consistency and patience. These techniques work by building soil biology rather than providing quick chemical fixes, so improvements accumulate over time. Most Korean gardeners report noticeable soil improvements within 1 month, with dramatic transformation occurring over a full growing season. The investment in time and minimal cost pays dividends in soil that becomes increasingly fertile and self-sustaining. These traditional methods prove that the most effective soil solutions often come from generations of agricultural wisdom rather than modern chemical approaches. By incorporating these Korean secrets into your garden routine, you're not just improving your soil, you're connecting with time-tested techniques that have sustained productive agriculture for centuries. If these Korean soil secrets intrigue you and you're ready to transform your garden using traditional wisdom, give these methods a try this season. Subscribe to Hydrohaven for more international gardening techniques that can revolutionize your garden, and share this video with fellow gardeners who could benefit from these ancient soil secrets. I'd love to hear about your results with Korean fermentation techniques. Drop a comment below sharing your soil transformation stories.